Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by preparing a calm canvas. Cleanse gently, pat fully dry, and make sure you've patch tested for 48 hours. Once done, choose a low-strength retinol 0, 0.25, 0.5%, and dispense a pea-size amount. Apply to forehead, cheeks, chin, and blend. Avoid immediate eyelids. You're starting slowly to let skin adjust. That's why small amounts and low frequency matter. Wait 10-20 minutes after drying so oil won't dilute the product, and then follow with a simple, gentle moisturizer. Once you tolerate the first applications, gradually increase frequency. Start 1x per week, then every 2 weeks add another night until you reach 2-3 nights weekly. Make sure to use buffering if needed. Apply moisturizer before retinol to reduce irritation or immediately after to seal hydration. You should avoid layering strong acids or vitamin C the same night because they can increase redness and flaking. If acne treatments are involved, separate them by nights. Track skin response to guide pace. To maintain progress, make sunscreen your non-negotiable. Apply SPF 30+ every morning and reapply during sun exposure because retinol increases photosensitivity. If you get intense redness or burning, stop for 3-7 days, soothe with barrier creams, then restart at a lower frequency or lower strength. Once healed, reintroduce slowly. Mild peeling is normal in the first 4-12 weeks. However, if you experience severe pain, swelling, or persistent irritation, contact a dermatologist for a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.